Chapter 8, Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both side pairs of opposite sides parallel. The three types of parallelograms are rectangles, squares, and rhombuses. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. A parallelogram is a rectangle if and only if its diagonals are congruent. A square is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. A parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if its diagonals are perpendicular. A parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if each diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angles. The square has properties which a rhombus and rectangle has. A rectangle is not a rectangle unless it has four right angles. A square has four right angles. A rhombus has four equal sides, and so does a square. Another type of quadrilateral is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. The parallel sides are the bases. The legs of an isosceles trapezoid is congruent. If a trapezoid is isosceles, then each pair of base angles is congruent. A trapezoid is isosceles if and only if its diagonals are congruent. The midsegment of a trapezoid is parallel to each base, and its length is one-half the sum of the lengths of the bases. The midsegment of a trapezoid is the segment that connects the midpoint of its legs. The last type of quadrilateral is a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of consecutive congruent sides, but opposite sides are not congruent. If a quadrilateral is a kite, then its diagonals are perpendicular. If a quadrilateral is a kite, then exactly one pair of opposite angles are congruent. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of any quadrilateral is always 360 degrees.
Draw diagonals in a polygon to form triangles to find the interior angles.
The formula to calculate interior angles is n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. The sum of the exterior angles will always equal 360 degrees. Opposite sides of parallelograms are congruent and parallel, and the opposite angles are congruent. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary.
This is a diagram of quadrilaterals on page 544 in your textbook that you can look at.
Oh, yeah.